share of this world's delight. High hopes we had for the future.